Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to celebrate Potato Day 2021. This is a collaboration video that was introduced by Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. I invite you to go check out his YouTube channel. But anyway, today, in honor of Potato Day 2021, we are going to do funeral potatoes. Now, funeral potatoes is a recipe, I guess it's a southern thing, that when someone passes away, you bring food to the family that's grieving. And that way, you've done your part, and they feel better because they don't have to cook, I guess. So anyway, we're going to put on one of my favorite kitchen tools, these. And this couldn't be simpler. I mean, couldn't be simpler. You don't have to eat these just at a funeral. Just for it. Okay? We're going to start out with it's a 30-ounce bag of frozen hash browns. Take that and dump it in a bowl. That's right. Frozen hash browns. Now we're going to take a cup of mild cheddar cheese, dump it in a bowl. This is a half cup of frozen onions. Get the theme here so far? It's easy. Dump in the half a cup of frozen onions. We're going to add in 1 can of cream of chicken soup. There we go. I wouldn't recommend using the golden chicken soup that I've seen in the stores. I've tried it, I didn't like it. But different tastes, you know. Then we're going to add 2 cups, which happens to be 1 pint of sour cream. Alright. 1 pint of sour cream. Then we're going to have a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper. So there's my pepper. And here comes my salt. And then we're gonna mix this up real good, and then we're gonna put it into a greased 9x12 casserole dish. Put it in the oven at 375 for 45 minutes to an hour. Right before it gets done, we're going to add another half a cup of cheddar cheese and let it melt, and then we're done. So we'll be back after I get done doing all this. This is a little cold, but you hang in there and we will be right back. There it is, ready for the oven. I had to hurry through that because I heard my camera beeping and I was running out of battery. So there we are, funeral potatoes ready for the oven. You hang in there, we'll be right back. And we're back, and check this out. Yeah, I let it cool a little bit before I touched it because I've learned my lesson. So let's try this real quick. Oh, yeah, see a little crunchy bits on the bottom? Those are the good ones. And that's why I grease the bottom of that sheet with that kitchen spray. So let's try. Ready? Oh, yep, you got to try this. So this has been, that's why we have hot dogs in the freezer, and this has been funeral potatoes. And this has been in celebration of Potato Day 2021. This was a collaboration video with Jim's Kitsch Kitchen, so please check out his channel too. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe by clicking on my little face over here. And we will see you next time. Bye.